Hi everyone, Dr. Emmy from Pain Free and Fit. Today, a great alternative way to do flies if you have shoulder pain and injury. Hope you enjoy. So the standing incline fly exercise is a great modification for those who have shoulder pain and injury that are aggravated with normal dumbbell flies, either laying on a flat bench or an incline bench. I share this exercise with my patients and online clients because it's a great way to decrease the stress on the shoulder. Remember, in a normal fly, when your arms are out to 90 degrees or slightly less, there's a tremendous amount of load on the rotator cuff to stabilize the shoulder joint. And as well, the higher that the arm goes, the more likely we're going to have impingement underneath the acromion or top of the shoulder. So to reduce this, we perform what's known as a standing incline fly. To do it, you'll grab a dumbbell and step forward with the opposite leg that you're going to be focusing the exercise on. Using a split stance, we'll also feel the upper pec with our fingers. If you go to your collarbone and just drop it off underneath the collarbone, you'll be able to feel your upper pec. And the reason you want to do this from the beginning is to determine the exact angle that you'll perform the exercise at. Keeping a slight bend to your elbow, you'll raise the dumbbell up and across, start at about a 45-degree angle, and feel the pec tighten underneath your finger. Change the angle by an inch or two, going a little bit more forward or a little bit closer to your body and across, and you'll quickly determine what the best angle is based on where you feel the hardest tension in your upper pec as you perform the exercise. Now, this exercise emphasizes more of the upper pec than the lower because we're using flexion as well as adduction as we do the movement, and you can increase the tension by holding isometric holds at the top while you perform it. Other options, if you don't want to use a dumbbell, which changes the tension due to gravity, is to use a low cable apparatus or an exercise resistance band, such as a loop, that you can step on while you perform the same motion. As with all exercises, if you're new to the movement, start with a light to moderate weight that you can handle for at least 10 repetitions before moving on to heavier weights. So plug this dumbbell fly exercise modification into your training program and let me know how your shoulders make out. Give me a thumbs up to help share this valuable information with others. Subscribe to the channel to get more great videos on shoulder training and injury prevention. And remember, if you're looking for a great way to analyze your shoulders, figure out what's driving the pain, and how to correct it through a self-rehab program, get our Shoulder Healing Exercise program available at painfreeandfit.com.